All right, Savan, let's jump right in and let folks know why it's important for them to attend this informative MBD session on October the 17th. From your perspective, Savan, why is MBD important with the businesses and companies you've worked with, and how it will help them evolve their business in the future?
It is literally transforming our industry. It is allowing us to reuse engineering design data over and over in the product development cycle, in the manufacturing cycle, so that the same 2D drawing doesn't have to be reused by multiple people. It's essentially reducing the amount of work. It is speeding up the time to market. It is speeding up the time to get a product out the door, because suddenly my CMM programmer doesn't have to do many hours worth of work re-entering information. My analysts who are doing whether it's CFD or FEA or virtual stack-up analysis on having to re-enter the data. And it's just a way to speed up the process and allow the people with the most experience to optimize their work and the product.